Hey everyone, want to create a catchy video ads that will grab attention without needing to be a pro? Let me show you how easy it is to design awesome video ads on Canva. No stress, just a few clicks and your brand new ad is ready to go. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to create a video ads with canva.com. So the first step that you have to do, of course, is just open your browser and dive into canva.com, and this is the homepage as you can see. Firstly, let's know what is Canva, because I already mentioned what is Canva in the last videos and I talked too much about Canva, sorry, but we have here some people or some viewers that this is his first time to see Canva and he didn't hear about it. So I will just give you a simple definition of Canva, also related to created video ads. So Canva is an easy to use online design tool that helps you create stunning video ads, social media posts and more. Even if you have no design experience, with tons of templates, animations and simple editing features, you can quickly bring your creative ideas to life. Perfect for making ads that stand out. So right now all I have to do is just come back to the top right and you click over signing up, or you click over apply now, and you have to link your email address and your password. Then you get started with this platform, which is Canva. Alright, so it's very easy to get started by just add your email address and password, and you have to confirm your email address on your Gmail and you get started as soon as possible. It's very easy, as I said. Right now all I have to do is just signing up, and oh look, if you already have an account, I don't have here those buttons that I mentioned before, which is sign up and log in, because here we have this account. I already have an account here, and here we have the profile. I will just click over home, then you'll find our page, which is this one as you can see. All I have to do right now is just click over search and you search for the specific links that you want. For example, we have Reels, Instagram, and I will click over enter. Then you'll find here those templates. So I will just click over see all here, and here we have various templates, which is 12,000. So it's very a huge templates, and I will here find various things if this is the free one or the pro one. So we have here the blue one and the black one and also the white one, and if it's related to the business, to the social media. And right now I will just come back to the all filters and I will click over it. Then I will select firstly the category, if it's business, social media, education, video, marketing, print products or cards, invitation. Of course I will select social media and I will click over Instagram Reels. Then I will scroll down. Here we have education, video, then we have marketing, print products, then we have here cards, invitations, the style as well. So if it's modern, aesthetic, simple, minimalist, colorful, animated as well. Then we have here the theme, the language, feature, grade, subject, topic, and we have here the price. I will select the free one. About the color, I will select the white one and I will click over apply. Right, then you will find here 1817 template, and it's just the white one as you can see. It's just very easy to use Canva. It's for free as I said and as I did also. And right now all I have to do is just to come back to the home, because I will just create my own by clicking over here create a design, and I will here click over custom size and you select here the width, the height, also the units if you want here, and just millimeters, centimeters and pictures also, and you click over create a new design and you get started. So I will just click over here video, and I will click over video here, and then I will get started and I will show you how you can do that. So firstly I will select here the timer, which is 5 seconds. Here we have also the background, but also you can just go to the uploads and you upload from your computer whatever you want for your template. So I will just go to the design. Firstly I will select here shows basketball, because I like basketball as you know. So here we have 25 seconds. It's too much. It's also boring to see these templates 25 seconds as you know. So you have just to see if I talked to you 25 seconds without sharing here the steps, you will feel boring. So that's why I will just change here this 25 seconds, and I will here click over here in the top and I'll put only 5 seconds. 5 seconds. It's good to see the page, but the thing that we have here, which is but welcome to basketball channel. So it's not a channel. I want to share my product, which is shoes basketball, by the way. So I will just here put basketball. It's important because we talked about basketball, that's why I let this one. I will just here modify the size like that. I'll put it like that, and here we have it. I will just put it as a background. So right now I will just go to the text and I will add a heading. Then I will select firstly the size. I will select 250, and it's good right now. And I will just put it, sorry, and I will just put it in the middle. Sorry again. I'll put it in the middle like that, and I will just add here basketball shoes, and here we have it how it looks. Put it like that. Then I think we need here some logos. I will just search for logos basketball like that, and I will here select graphics, this option graphics. Then we'll select this one, for example. I think it's good. It's like here Golden State Warriors. I think you know Golden State Warriors, of course. So if you don't know it, you know Stephen Curry as well, because it's a famous player, by the way. And here we have it's like Golden State Warriors, and we have here basketball shoes. And right now the thing that we need, which is add another page, because here we have basketball shoes but we don't have here the product. So right now we'll just go to the uploads. Of course I will upload my own product because I will select, of course. We'll just click over here and I will select this one. Then I will just custom here the size firstly, and I will put it with a good here look to attract people. And here we have it right now, sorry. So you can add here right now other things, such as if you want here to go to the music or audio, and you add here music if you want related to basketball. And also here we can upload and click over record yourself, and you start recording by click over here. So we have it 3 2 1. You have to delete here the camera. So here we have Kyrie Irving shoes. It's a famous player, and it's more comfortable to play without finding any issues and finding any problems, and it's good for you. And let's get started, and you have to buy it right now. It's just for $300, and you click over done like that, and you click over save and exit, and you'll find it here. This is your voiceover. I will just exit without saving because I don't need. And here we have how it looks. I have it 10 seconds, for example. All right, so I think it's good like that. I will just click over close, and I will click over share in the top right, and I will click over copy the link. I will make it firstly anyone can access design using this link, no sign required. And I will here also click over here see all to use one of these options, and you share your template. You can also make it public view link, and if you just here click over create public view link, you will find here copy the link. Once you have to open your browser and you paste this link, you will find it. So it's good for sharing this one public to anyone. Just by clicking over here, he will find your template. Right, it's good. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.